we will be discussing about step in the process of observing CRISOL 2007. The first step is select the research site. In this site where we can understand a central phenomenon or a topic that you are being studied. Gaining access through letter of consent is a prerequisite first step that the researcher must do. Example, if the research question is focused on understanding the experience of patient and the hospital setting, the research site could be a specific hospital or medical facility. The researcher would need to gain access to the hospital by obtaining the necessary permission and approvals from the hospital administration and other relevant authorities.